Welcome to Healthy You. Today, I'll show you an amazing dessert with just 3 bananas, 1 egg, and a touch of chocolate that will sweeten your day in minutes. Enjoy the video now and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any practical recipe that will transform your kitchen and surprise the ones you love. This recipe is so easy and delicious that you'll want to make it today. It turns out fluffy, caramelized, and without any mess. Want to know the secret to nailing dessert without stress? Stay with me until the end, because here at Healthy You we make magic with what you already have at home. Let's go. Before we start, let me tell you why this recipe is so special. You know those days when you crave something sweet but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen? This banana and chocolate cake is perfect for that. It's not one of those super light or fit desserts, but who says we can't treat ourselves once in a while? The secret is balance. Enjoy this delight in moderation, savoring every bite with love, and combine it with a pleasant and healthy routine. Here on the channel, I also bring fit cake recipes. I'll leave them at the end of the video and in the description for you to check out later. I always bring ideas for every moment. Now, let's go to the ingredients. You'll need, for the base, 3 ripe bananas, 20 grams of butter, and 1 tablespoon of sugar, which can be brown sugar for a more caramel flavor or white sugar, you choose. For the batter, 1 egg, 50 grams of sugar, 3 tablespoons, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 50 milliliters of vegetable oil, 6 tablespoons, 100 milliliters of milk, 1/2 cup, 130 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 cup, 20 grams of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon, and 8 grams of baking powder, 1 teaspoon. You probably already have all of this in your pantry. I'll leave the ingredients listed here in the description. Tell me in the comments what your special touch for desserts is. Let's start preparing, and it's super simple. First, cut 3 bananas in half lengthwise, so they look really pretty. In a pan, melt 20 grams of butter over medium heat until golden. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and stir non-stop until it turns into a shiny, fragrant caramel. Be careful not to burn it. Okay. Place the banana slices into this caramel, arranging them nicely to cover the bottom of the pan. Turn off the heat and set aside. Golden tip: choose very ripe bananas, because they are sweeter and go perfectly with caramel. Now the batter. In a bowl, beat 1 egg with 50 grams of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract until creamy and fragrant. Add 50 milliliters of vegetable oil and 100 milliliters of milk, mixing slowly to incorporate well. Then, sift 130 grams of flour, 20 grams of cocoa powder, and 8 grams of baking powder. Mix until smooth, with that chocolatey texture that makes your mouth water. Sifting is the secret to keeping the cake fluffy, so don't skip this step. If you're enjoying this step-by-step, leave a like to support Healthy You and help the channel grow. Time to assemble. Pour the batter over the bananas in the pan, spreading carefully to cover everything evenly. Turn the heat to low, cover the pan, and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. The cake is ready when the surface is dry and firm. To be sure, do the toothpick test. If it comes out clean, it's done. While it cooks, think about how you're going to serve this delight. I love it with coffee, but have you thought about adding an extra chocolate sauce or even some chopped nuts on top? Get creative and tell me in the comments. Now for the best part. Carefully unmold the cake onto a plate, turning the pan slowly to reveal those shiny caramelized bananas on top. What a show! This cake is fluffy, with a touch of chocolate and that caramel that melts in your mouth. Serve with hot coffee, a scoop of ice cream, or even a drizzle of honey for extra charm. And the best part, it's so easy you can even make it on a busy day. Want to impress your family or friends? Make this recipe today and tell me in the comments how yours turned out. Before we finish, let me remind you, here at Healthy You, we believe that cooking is an act of love, whether for yourself or for those around you. This cake is perfect for those moments when you want to treat yourself without guilt, because life is all about balance, right? And if you're looking for healthy and delicious recipes, check out the ebook with 500 ketogenic recipes. It has more than 500 tasty, simple, and budget-friendly meals that keep you on track without giving up flavor. From breakfast and dinner to lunch and desserts. The link is in the description, so take advantage of the promotional price. It won't last long. So, did you like the recipe? Subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and don't miss any new recipe to make your life sweeter and easier. Leave your like, share this video with someone who needs a quick dessert, and tell me, What recipe do you want to see in the next Healthy You video? See you next time, and enjoy your meal.